Hey guys, it's Fonzie, and we have a fun one today because not only are we trying out a brand new color, but we're testing out some new components as well. So we asked Brad what color he wants to do on the RS7, and he said he wants something deep. So I reached out to my guys at KP Pigments. I said, dude, give me something deep, something we've never sprayed before. So I got this new Tuzi Indigo. I don't know if it's blue or purple. It's really hard to tell in powder form. We'll know more after we get it on the car. And keep in mind, we are testing some new components today. So if you see anything that's a little bit different, specifically in the mixing process, just take note of it and move along. It's time to get going. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, the car is complete and it looks absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to bring it outside to show you guys what this thing looks like. I'm so glad that we landed on this color for this particular car, especially the way that the deep color on the car contrasts with the bright color on the wheels. It is beautiful. Now, if you want to do your vehicle in this new Tuzi Indigo color, we made it super easy for you. Just click right up here. It'll bring you to the Tuzi Indigo car kit, and it includes everything you need to get the job done. The gallons, the pearls, the accessories, even a sprayer if you need one. But if you have any questions at all, if you want to talk about the process, chat with us directly on DipYourCar.com or call in because we really do love talking to you guys about your projects. And the last thing I need help with, leave a comment below. Is this car blue or is it purple? I can't tell if it's a purpley blue or a bluish purple. This color is a little bit tricky. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching. Let's go outside and check out the car. I will see you on the next video.